Hi everyone, welcome to Mac's Art Place. Well, I'm back in my laundry room. Today I'm working on a 12 by 16 canvas. I have my little doodads in there and it's taped. I got a new blow dryer, so I'm going to give that a try. I don't know if it'll be too powerful because I'm so used to working on that dilapidated thing from the 70s. We'll see what happens. So these are some of the colors that I may or may not use. Depends on how I feel. But this was the range that I picked out of my bottles. I have Arteza Pearl Copper Gold, and it's mixed with Deco Art. And this is Deco Art's Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. Arteza's Pearl Pastel Green with Deco Pour Medium. Deco Art Pour Medium. And this is Arteza Pearl Sea Green. It's such a pretty color. I mixed that up last night. And it's with Floetrol. And I'm starting to use 4 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. And it's working out better for me. I also have Arteza's Pearl Lime Green with the same mixture. And this is Pearl X with Deco Pour Medium. And this is Pumpkin Orange. I might add a little Floetrol to it, but I'm not sure yet. And this is Deco Art Metallic Crystal Green. Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. It's such a pretty color. I got white all over it. And I have been using for my white, I've been using this semi-gloss white from Kensington and Clark. And this is 1 part paint. It's going to be 4 parts Floetrol. I also have Deco Art Metallic Teal, which is a beautiful color when you get your varnish, or if I can figure out how to do epoxy correctly, it makes it has such a beautiful shine underneath. It's incredible. Then I also have Arteza's Pearl Amarantha Red, and this is with Deco Art Pour Medium. And I have Arteza's Pearl Pastel Green with Deco Art. I mixed these up when I had gotten a thing of Deco Art Pour Medium. I wanted to see how it was doing. But I found that I really like Floetrol better than anything I've tried yet. So I'm going to finish mixing up my paints, and I'm still working on that in record time clock. So I'll be back with you in a jiffy. 3, 2, 1... Okay, here we are at my board. My phone is falling off of the tripod, so I'm trying to get the board up a little closer. I only have magnets holding it on, so it's a little better, I think. That's about as far down as I can get it to. I'll have to rearrange. Oh, going out this way is a little better. Okay, so I hope this color combination comes out good, because I'll use it for something else other than this Dutch pour. But I want to see how this dryer works. So I know this sounds like a crazy color combination. Well, we'll see how it goes. This is such a pretty color, but I don't know how it'll be in this kind of an instance. Bit of this. Well, we're my toothpick. That is a strange color, but who knows what it'll do. May do something nice. When I get the dryer over here, I'm only going to start out on low, because I don't know how this is going to work. The other one was so difficult to blow paint around, it kind of knew where it was going to go. So here we go. Now I gotta put white. Doesn't look like Lowe's gonna do anything. Well, how strange. It doesn't want to blow the paint at all. I don't understand that. Weird. Air's coming out of it, but it ain't blowing the paint. So we'll get out my trusty other implement. I like the color combination. I don't understand why that dryer wouldn't blow the paint, and I added some extra paint there to try and even the composition out. So I'll have to figure out what's going on with that dryer. That's very strange. There was air coming out of it, but it certainly wasn't going to blow that paint. So we'll have to figure something out. But I do like that paint combination. The little bit of pinkish color coming up from underneath the greens and the blues. I think it's a great color combination. And I will try to get rid of some of this. When it dries, I'll add some white to it, I guess, to do that. It's really baffling that the blow dryer wouldn't blow paint. I hope I get a little more cells. I think maybe by stretching it a little, we'll give it a little bit more of an interest. Huh, one of my push pins just came out. See if I can get this right here to kind of meet itself. I don't like pores all over the place. I'm going to just put a drop. And we're going to go like this. Kind of even out the corners up there, down here. Well, I'm not going to mess with it anymore. Thanks for watching. I'm going to take a photograph of these colors because I do like that combination. I think I'm going to try that combo on a pour and see how that comes out. So I'll take you down for a little look-see. There really isn't other than the colors, there's not much interest yet as far as cells and lacing. Here's a little bare canvas. But maybe they'll pop up. First, I'm going to give it a torch. Might help. So, here we go. As you can see, not much lacing or cells. I didn't use any oil in it. Wanted to see how my paints go without the oil. So we'll get up high, and there's the full view. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed making it, and disappointed about the blow dryer. So we'll have to send it back, and it's supposed to be one of the highest speedy ones out there, but didn't work, so we'll get something new. My old 1971 was better than this one. And please share. Give me a thumbs up, and subscribe and spread the word. Have a nice weekend. Bye-bye.